Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I have a unsponsored wig review. This wig is from Ali Pearl and I bought it with my own coins. This was my birthday wig and I just wanted to come and give you guys the info on it because I love it so much, and you know I love to keep y'all up on game. So in this video you'll basically just see my stylist and I'll tag her below. If you're in the San Francisco area, you'll see her install this wig completely from scratch. As you guys see, she did do a little bit of plucking to it, and I wanted to give you guys the details. So this is a 24-inch straight 180 density lace front wig from Ali Pearl. It is in the color 018. And I know they have a piano wig and then they have this one, and it was kind of confusing for me, so I had to go ahead and DM them and ask them, you know, what was the difference. But this one is actually their 018 wig, and I ordered this wig on August 18th and my package was delivered on August 27th, so that's just a time frame for you guys. In that clip she was just showing you the glue that she was using, which is the Bold Hold glue. And so yeah, I really enjoyed this wig. I'm actually about to put it back on this weekend because it was just so freaking bomb. And I know you guys be wanting the price of the wig, so I'm not gonna gatekeep any of the information. I paid $351.19 for this wig, so it is on the little more pricier side, but I would absolutely say it's worth it. The lace blends so seamlessly, and you guys will see that because I actually got like a closer look to it with my iPhone, which is coming up in a little bit, in a few clips coming up. But this is totally worth it. I was in 115-degree hot Vegas weather and I barely got any tangling with my hair. I didn't have any brush with me to detangle it or anything like that, and it just stayed intact the whole time. So like I said, it is on a little pricier side, but it's totally worth it. The hair was so beautiful. The density of the wig was like perfect. It's like a perfect thickness. I will say that the thickness of the hair starts from like root to tip, so I really enjoyed that. It flat irons so good, doesn't shed too much. I'm just really enjoying this wig, so I'll pretty much just let you guys finish seeing her install the wig, and then I'll pop back in to close out the video. But it's just really short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so this is where the iPhone footage is starting, and basically she ended up gluing it down and like really melting it, so even the lace that you see doesn't show. I'm like kicking myself for not filming this video on my iPhone because the quality is just so much better. So look out for like better quality coming soon, because either I'm going to invest in a better camera or, you know, just film on my iPhone, because the quality with the iPhone was hitting way harder. But yeah, so now you'll just pretty much see her style my hair, and just stick around for the ending of it so you guys can see the final look. I mean, she just really laid this wig. I'm so happy with both her skills and the quality of this wig. So I'll let you guys just keep watching. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and click the link down below and make sure you guys check this wig out, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.